All right, you guys, here is the palette. So pretty. So starting off my look, I'm just gonna take this really pretty like brownie orange color right here. Just gonna put that into my crease. All right, going back into the palette, I'm just gonna take this deeper orange right here and pop that into my crease as well. Now this color isn't as powdery as that first one, but that first one was super powdery. All right, you guys, and then for my lid color, I'm just gonna take this pretty like pinky color right here and just kind of pop that into my lid. All right, and then I'm just gonna take this really pretty gold color right here and just going to place it like in my inner tear duct. All right, and then we're gonna go back into this really pretty brown color and just pop that into my outer V. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of the black and pop it into my outer V as well. All right, next we are going to take our lovely primer. I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. And you see that's my primer as choice. I have been loving this primer, you guys. Super soft on the face, and I just love the way it makes my makeup look. It's a really nice primer. All right, next I'm gonna take my e.l.f. little corrector stick, which you guys know I have been using on my channel quite a few. I do have a few dark spots, not a lot, but a few that I was trying to cover up, and my skin is going through something, y'all. Like, I don't know what is going on, but I'm breaking out right here and like right here on my face. So all right, you guys, and then for my concealer, I'm gonna take the one that I got from Flower Beauty. It's their Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, and I have mine in the color called Deep. It's supposed to be weightless, so super excited about trying this concealer out, because I don't think I've tried anything from their brand, and I've always been intrigued, so super excited about it. Love the applicator. Look at that groove. That can fit perfectly under the eye. You guys, look how good it covered up my under eyes. Y'all, oh my god, this is so pretty. Do y'all see that? And I think the color is perfect for my skin tone. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Love, 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 love the concealer. Love it. And then for my highlight, I'm just going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome to highlight with. Sticking my Kiss eyeliner to just do my under eyes. You guys, so lashes are on. For my lip option, I do have actually 3 lippies in front of me. The 2 I got is from like a Sephora favorites like box. You know, you can pretty much try out like lip products, like mini sizes, you know, for like a cheaper price versus buy like the whole like full size one. So this one is going to be by YSL and it just says number 70. And then I have this one by Marc Jacobs. It's in the color called Pretty Things. So I'm just going to apply the one by YSL. Really pretty like nudie color, pinky nude color. It's like my lips but better, and it has like a hint of like, I want to say it's like a nudie pinky color. It's really pretty. Just gonna take this Marc Jacobs gloss on top of it. And then I'm gonna actually line my lips because it's too pink for my liking. Alright, so this is pretty much the completed look. Alright, so quick rundown. I loved this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Just a few colors that I actually play with. I really did enjoy playing with them. Some colors are actually more powdery than others. It's almost like it's not pressed in there that good, and it's mainly just the mattes that I played with that's actually powdery compared to the shimmers. Those aren't powdery at all. So besides that, love the eyeshadow palette. I think it's super pigmented. It blended out really nicely, and I just think it's a really good palette, and I do want to get some more palettes from their collection. I actually have a few palettes from them, but I haven't bought any of their stuff in like quite a bit, but I do want to get more stuff from them now because I do like this one a lot. And then the concealer from Flower Beauty, I actually liked this concealer a lot, you guys. First of all, the packaging is so sleek, so pretty, and I just love like the gold detailing around it. And I think the favorite part about this product is just, or my favorite part is just the applicator on it. I just love how it has like that dip in it, so you can pretty much just sit nicely under the eyes. And I just think the coverage that it gave me was really nice. I'm definitely going to say it's more full coverage because it covered up my bags really nicely, which I do appreciate. And the color called Deep was just the perfect color for me. It's not too deep for me, and at the same time it's not matching my skin tone exactly. It's like a little bit of like highlight under my eyes, but nothing that's too crazy or too drastic. So I just think it's a really pretty color. I just love the formula. It's super lightweight, you guys, and the name Light Illusion is definitely fitting for it because it's super light on the face and it's so creamy, easy to blend out, but it's definitely a full coverage concealer. So it's not cakey, it's not thick. It just almost feels like you have nothing on your face. It's very like weightless. So love this concealer a lot, and I do want to try more products from them. I think I want to get my hands on the highlighter palette, but I don't know if it'll work for my skin tone because the colors in there seem really light. But I do want to try more products since I do love the concealer from them. And then the other product that I tried that was pretty much new was just my lip products. I pretty much had this lip kit in my collection for like a very long time. I just never played with it. So I did like the colors. I just feel like it was just too nudie for like the look. Well, it was almost like too pinky, I'll say that, for the look that I have going on. So I did have to go in with it with the lip pencil, but besides that, I love the way the lip products felt and look. The one by Marc Jacobs, this one actually had like a minty smell to it, which is actually it's like a minty feeling on my lips plus the smell, which is actually really nice. But besides that, I think I pretty much used everything before in this video. Those were like my only few new products that I had to talk about. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Like always, please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.